Hi, my name is Prerna Sokti. I'm from New Delhi and I lost my eyesight in 2013. In 2016, I was diagnosed with an autoimmune disorder because of which my eyesight reduced further. It actually, all my organs had started collapsing. Then somehow I survived and here I am. I believe in the power of brain, but I was looking for some opportunity where I could know how to optimize it. I came to know about this company Head and Heart, the workshop that these guys are doing. So as of now, I'm a totally blind person. I cannot see anything at all. Yes, I did come with a complete blank mind, but then we all have our logics. सूंघ के कोई कैसे किसी को कुछ दिखेगा? How will I see the things without my eyesight? These were the questions that I had, and I got my answers in just first 3 days of the workshop. When I came here, the first day, everything was I was feeling very restless. There was a lot of whatever they were making us do. I was like, how can this help? How can this help? But now today is the third day. In 3 days itself, I see there is so much of difference. The first day, only just after the first few hours of the session, when I held the card for the first time in my hand, when they asked me to try and focus to see, I am a 100% blind person and I could actually figure out the colors. And today is the third day. I am feeling so relaxed. I'm feeling so many knots in my body getting released. I could actually see not only the colors, the color combinations, and even the shapes on the cards that were given to me. And the best part of everything was not just with the touch, I could smell and I could find out the color, the shape, the number, whatever was there on the card. This is really a path-breaking exercise, workshop, whatever these guys are doing. They are doing amazing. And especially, I belong to a PWD category now, people with disability, and that to a late blind person. Somebody who has seen the world cannot see right now. This entire workshop is really amazing for special people like us. All the late blind people, it is something that they are really going to love. This is really going to help each one of us, and we're really looking forward for the next 45 days and beyond.